Hello everybody, this gas station is now Diamond Shamrock. They are in the transition of converting this to a full-blown Diamond Shamrock gas station. Doesn't this look familiar? That's right, it is the former Chevron in Deming, New Mexico, and they kept the car wash, but it's no longer a Chevron, it is now a Diamond Shamrock. It is Christmas Day, and the other car wash across the street, I think it might be closed because of its Christmas Day. But I'll try to come back later. The back door was down, and there was a cone. I'm going to try to come back later on. Maybe because it's Christmas, it's closed, but who knows? I'm hoping it's not defunct, because that was a rare news star. Luckily, Deming still has this car wash, if the other one is truly defunct. But we'll see later on.
Please enter your wash code 275291. The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
This was formerly a Vector Rapid Wash for those that don't know, and this is a take on my S22 Ultra. Oh crap, this thing better not hit my mirror. Oh wow, it's really close to my mirror. Hopefully it doesn't do any damage to it. I think this wash might starting to be going down. It might not be maintained that well. Okay, luckily my mirrors are fine. have it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed There's a New Shamrock sign, and that's it.